Hi there. I'll start with the new weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. This is education content only, not financial advice. From a Wyckoff perspective, NEAR is currently still in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. So I've simplified this. You don't see second test or spring over here because during the period of accumulation, it's always testing within the range-bound sideways trade. Okay, so at this point, it is trading at a higher level, but just as the selling climax or second test was. Okay, it's not the deeper test, but definitely somewhere around the prior selling climax level. Okay, as of this moment, the key resistance is the green key level of 1.96, and the key support is the yellow key level of 1.6. And from a volume perspective, it has been declining for 7 straight weeks after the overshoot to the failed sign of strength, declining back to below the blue key level of 2.5, this massive volume over here. So that means the bulls and bears have become more cautious from both sides. There's no big commitment over the past couple of weeks. And if we look at the daily chart, the shorter term setup, we can see the price has just passed the center line of the rising channel that started back in early February. Okay, this is telling us it may come back to test the support of the ascending channel. So this is somewhere around 1.68. Okay, not yet to the yellow key level. All right, so this is from a short-term perspective, the immediate support level before the key level of 1.6. All right, the resistance over here, you can see for the past 6 days. Okay, yeah, 2 days ago, the bulls tried. They tried to push the price higher, but they failed within the same day. Okay, so now it is slightly trending back to the channel support. Okay, if you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, join the other channel members now. See you in the next one. Thank you.